Hi everyone! This video will be pretty short. I decided to make it because I'm getting a lot of messages from you that you have some troubles with unraveling that seamless joining that I show you in my tutorial about how to crochet a perfect circle. Some of you write me that when you want to remake something, when you make some mistakes or just want to unravel it for some reason, you cannot do that with this seamless joining. So in this video I want to show you how to do that. And first I will show you again how we make that seamless joining from the video about perfect circle, and then I will show you how we unravel it. So first we make the loop big. Then we insert the hook from the back side under the first stitch of the row. We hook the loop and bring it to the back side. Then we push our circle through this loop, like this. This is what we get. Then first we pull this yarn, the working yarn, that comes from the bobbin. So this one. So this was our loop, and now again we push the working yarn, the same one that comes from the bobbin, and our joining is ready. And now how we unravel it. Actually we will do all the same steps but in the opposite direction. So our last step was pulling this working yarn. Now see where it comes from. This is our working yarn and it comes from here. This part and then this working yarn. So we pull it again, pull it back from here. When we joined the row, we pulled it here, we pulled the working yarn like this. Now we do the same but in the opposite direction. You also remember that we had here a loop that we've tightened. So we should make this loop big again. So here's our loop. We make it big. Remember this step? Make it big enough. So this is what we had when we joined the row. And now we push the circle through this loop, but not the same way as we did it when we joined the row. We do it in the opposite direction, like this. So here's our loop that we brought to the back side, remember? And in the beginning we made it big, so now we make it small again. And this is it. We unraveled it. So now I hope everything is clear for you and you will not have any problems with unraveling the seamless joining. Please don't forget to leave your thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell not to miss my next tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you soon!